Yo, what's up, people? Welcome back to the day trading psychology and the 5 lessons I learned the hard way. So, in my journey of day trading, I watched over 2,000 disappear from my account, and just because of these, actually five brutal mistakes I made. And if you're just starting out, trust me, you will want to hear this before you go out and risk your own cash. So yeah. So let's dive in and save you some serious pain. So here are the 5 mistakes I made. Mistake number 1 is that letting winning streaks get to my mind. And after making 1,000 in 3 days, I actually felt invincible, and I felt so powerful that I can do anything I want. And I started trading actually whenever I wanted, ignoring my strategy and the sessions I had, and thinking I could do no wrong. And I got hit by a reality check pretty fast after those 3 days. I lost all that profit in a single day, and just because I was overconfident and trading tired, which made me learn my lesson pretty hard by losing that 1,000, which was actually pretty good money. So most importantly, never let your emotions or fatigue control your trades. So if your mind isn't clear, you're better off just not trading at all that day, and just most importantly, stick to your plan. And or if you don't, well, you will pay like I did. But yeah, so mistake number 2, revenge trading after loss. So after that 1,000, I actually wanted to get back that money, and well, I started selling soon. Whenever I saw the market going down, I just sell. Whenever market hits a little bit of my profit, I just sell. And yeah, so as I went on the week-long losing streak, the frustration took over me, and I started entering trades way too early and desperate for my money back. So even with the good analysis, I panic and sell too soon, like I said, or cut my winners short. I was focused on recovering the money that I lost, that I abandoned my strategy and completely. And and the lesson learned is that never trade angry or desperate, because if you're tilt, take a break. And the market doesn't really care about your emotions. So is it worth it? In my case, it was not, and probably in your case, it's surely not. And yeah, so the market rewards with patience and discipline, and if you have the discipline, then you're surely gonna win those trades. Mistake number 3, not setting the stop losses. So I thought I was smart enough to feel when the trade was about to go bad, and why bother with the stop losses, right? Why bother with them? You don't need them. And the thing I was just freshly new to trading, and I figured I could just watch the charts and exit manually if the things got ugly. But yeah, big mistake. One morning I watched the trade go from small loss to a massive 800, from massive one, like 200, then 400, 600, 800, boom, lost. I took that loss, and I was confused. What happened? I didn't know what happened. What can I say? A huge mistake, which I paid for. I learned my lesson, and now my stop loss is either 1 or 2% of my account, and that's the one thing you want to go for. Don't go above 3% of your stop loss. It's not worth it. So yeah. Actually by the time I finally closed it, like I said, I lost 800 on what should have been only like a 200 mistake, and it was on a 100k account, which, I mean, it might be not much, but for me it was a lot, and it hit me hard. And the lesson that I learned from that is actually like I said, always set up your stop loss make it 1 to 3% of the stop loss, and slash make it before your trade. And the market doesn't care about your gut feeling, so most importantly, you want to protect your capital first and chase the profit second. Mistake number 4: trading without a plan. There were days I wake up and open my trading app just to hunt the opportunities of the market that it makes, and there was no plan, no strategy, just my phone and me, and then me watching at the market and seeing whether I could get anything from that. And yeah, the result, I made three random trades. The lesson learned: don't trust your 3 trades, because even though like you lose one is lost, second is lost, and the 3 guaranteed win. Well, in my case it was, but probably not in your case it's gonna be. So you might be losing like 3 trades straight away and losing your account. And if you're doing a funded account, you're probably instantly losing that account. So yeah, so lesson learned: never trade without a clear plan, and you always want to know your entry, know your exit, and know your stop loss, and you all that you have to know before you enter the market. And trading without a plan is not trading. It's what you call gambling. You're not making educated guess. You're just taking that gamble over there. Yeah. So yeah, the last mistake, my first mistake I ever made, and mistake number 5: blowing my first funded account. Yeah, this actually was my first funded account that I got after trading. I was so excited. I want to do this so much. But yeah, so after finally getting my first funded trading account, I felt like I made it. I was over my head, honestly. I thought I was unstoppable and way better than I actually was. And guys, believe me, the reality hit me really quick and really hard. It was just, I was like in my head's confidence, and it was a trap made by myself. So I rushed in, broke my own rules, broke my discipline, started trading recklessly, and before I could to even celebrate my funded account, I lost the account. That was quick. It was just gone. Like, gone. It was nowhere to be seen no more. So yeah, that loss all hit me like hard. I actually wanted to quit trading. It felt like gambling. I did not like it anymore. It was not skill. I didn't believe in trading anymore. So yeah, so that's why you need your psychology, because you're gonna be making your own mistakes. I'm just trying to help you out a little bit right now, but you will be making your own mistakes like me, I did. But if you watch this video, at least you will not make the same mistakes, and hopefully you're not gonna make the same mistakes as me. I really hope so. But yeah, lesson learned: never let a win or a big milestone go to your head. Always stay humble. That's what you want to do. Always stay humble. Stick to your strategy. Don't forget, discipline is the most important thing. And always treat your account like it's your last. The thing is, even if it's your last, I hope you're not gonna be like, oh, this trade is risky. Yeah, so what you want to do is just don't think about money also. You want to trade, and your goal is not making profit, it's to beat the market. Beat the market, be the winner. Hit that subscribe button, join my journey, and keep up with my videos, and keep watching more. And also in the comments below, tell me which mistake you made. And yeah guys, peace out.